Have you ever noticed that your Monstera keeps putting out new leaves, but each one comes in about the same size as the last, small, thin, and without those big dramatic splits everybody wants? Most people assume this just means the plant needs more time or more fertilizer. But a lot of the time, the real issue is a nutrient that almost nobody thinks to check: calcium. Today I'm going to walk you through a simple homemade calcium water that can help your Monstera put out noticeably bigger, sturdier leaves within about a month. And it comes from something you're probably throwing in the trash every single morning. Stick around, because I'm also going to cover the biggest mistake people make that cancels this trick out completely. If you want more of these, hit subscribe. I share them every week. So here's why calcium matters so much for a plant like Monstera. Calcium is what gives plant cell walls their structure. Without enough of it, new leaf tissue comes in thinner and weaker, and the plant plays it safe by keeping new leaves smaller instead of risking a big leaf it doesn't have the structural strength to support. Calcium also plays a role in how strong and upright the stems grow, which matters a lot for a climbing plant like Monstera that needs sturdy stems to support those big fenestrated leaves as they mature. The fix here is eggshells, and specifically, eggshell water, which releases calcium in a form your Monstera can actually use. Here's how to make it properly. Take the shells from about 4 eggs and rinse out any leftover egg white. Then let them dry completely for a day. Once they're dry, crush them into small pieces and boil them in 2 cups of water for about 10 minutes. Let that sit overnight so the calcium has time to leach into the water, then strain out the shell pieces in the morning. What's left is your calcium water. Now, here's the part people usually get wrong, which is exactly why this trick doesn't work for everybody. Eggshell calcium takes time to become available to the plant, so this isn't a fast fix like a chemical fertilizer. Water your Monstera with this calcium water once every 3 to 4 weeks, right into the soil around the base of the plant, not directly onto the stem. Because it's a slow release, this is a trick you have to stay consistent with rather than something you do once and expect results the next day. While you're feeding the roots, give your Monstera something to climb if it doesn't already have support. A moss pole or a simple wooden stake makes a real difference here, because as Monstera climbs, it naturally starts producing larger, more mature leaves with deeper splits. Keep your Monstera in bright, indirect light throughout this process, and check the soil before every watering so it never sits soggy, since calcium uptake actually slows down significantly in waterlogged soil. Most people start noticing the difference around 3 to 4 weeks in, when a new leaf unfurls noticeably larger than the one before it, often with deeper, more defined splits along the edges. If you try this and your Monstera starts putting out bigger leaves, come back and tell me in the comments, "My Monstera is getting bigger," so I can see who's trying it out. If you found this useful, subscribe so you don't miss next video, where I'm breaking down a simple trick to finally get your peace lily blooming.